Hello guys, welcome back to Teens Club, and today I'm going to showing you a new program which is MagicaVoxel. You can see it right over here. It's a very cool program, and if you want to download it, link will be in the description below. Just go to MagicaVoxel.com and click this link, GitHub, or this one, which is voxelmate.com. The link will be in the description. You could download it from this site or from this site. Okay, so I prefer that you download it from this site. Link will be in the description. Click on download 0.99.6.2. It's the newest one, and yeah, so I'm going to be showing you MagicaVoxel around. It's a really cool program. You have to use it most of the time. So let's see. First, I'm going to be showing you how to delete this default cube. Delete and done. Click on this corner, and if you notice here, you can see that there are options for isometric view, orthometric view, free, and perspective, I guess. So this is isometric view. Isometric and orthographic are the same. Free and perspective are not. Okay, so let's begin with these letters. L is for line. Click on attach, and you can see that it's attaching and adding lines. Cool. And if you click erase, you can erase them, of course, by choosing one of these. Wait a minute, let me zoom in this one. Wait a second, let us see. Yeah, better, right? So as you see, if I click on box now, you can see that it's attach. You can attach, but it's not line anymore, it's a box. It's attaching a box. And of course there's a limit for adding objects. You can only add objects in this box. You can resize it if you want. Double click on this, for example 100. Wait, sorry. For example 100. Wait, what happened? Undo. Yeah, now it's bigger, and you have a more space, and you have a bigger space to add stuff, but I'm going to leave it to 40 times 40 times 40 times 40. It's better. Let's leave those and add face. What is face? If you can see, it's by clicking on face. You can add stuff, you can drag it also. It's awesome. Click on erase, and you can do this stuff. For example, box, erase. This tool is awesome. It's cool, actually. I like it. And second one is voxel. You can see it right over here. It's not like line, it's different. And let me show you a trick. Click on times 2x, and if you draw, you can see that it's smaller than before, right? And if you want to go back, click on top, and voila, you're back. Cool, right? But the small ones will go. Okay, next choose circle. Let's delete this circle. Let us choose another color, for example red. 1 minute. Attach, and you can see what it does, which is cool, very cool if you want to make circles, rugs, this stuff, really fun stuff. But if you don't want to attach colors, you can paint them also. Let me show you how. Choose a color, for example green, and it's painting and not attaching, which is extremely cool, very cool, seriously. And you can extrude them also like Blender. Select face and click on them, and yeah, look, it's very cool, right? Okay, delete them. Next time I'm going to show you this. Let's go back to Voxel. I want to show you something. Attach, let's change this amount to 64, and cool, very cool. I'm going to select 5. Awesome, really. 10, wait, 50 for example. Cool, nice, I liked it. Let's try to erase. Nice, you can make voxel mountains out of these. This is actually extremely cool. Delete and P. I don't know exactly what does it done, but I guess it's pattern. I never tried it before. I'm going to research about it. I never actually used it. Other cool feature, you can also mirror. Click on mirror. It's not a modifier actually, it's I don't know. Mirror, click on X axis. You can check out whether this is X axis or Y axis. You can see it from here, right below. That this is Z is up and Y is this. This is Y and this is X. Click, double click outside and you can see and move stuff, which is cool also. And 3D undo, I mean. Okay, let me show you the mirror. Okay, let's see. It's mirroring quite well. Cool, just like Blender, really. Erase. Really amazing. You might be wondering if this can be exported to Blender, right? I will give you an answer after I show you something else. Let's try mirroring on X and Y. Attach box. It's mirroring on Y and X, which is amazing. Just like Blender, exactly the same. Let's see the Z. Yeah, it's mirroring on the Z axis also. This is cool, you should try it. Really? Okay, sorry. So let's see. Close them. Okay, so let me show something else. Go to the corner right here. Click on edge and you can see their edges very smoothly. Look here, edges black in color, which is cool, really, I like it. And click on grid and you can see the grid right over here. Look, see, grid all over the place. And click on SW. You can see the shadows and this stuff, which is cool, really amazing. And frame at the end. On frame. and this will appear, so you can how many units and this stuff. It's amazing how you can use this stuff. If you learn them properly, you can make amazing stuff out of it. And you will be wondering, of course, if we can render this stuff or not. I will give you an answer right now. Yes. I will show you. Go here, the left corner, upwards, click on render. And it renders in cycles, just like Blender. And you can enable the edge, okay, and the grid and this stuff. Okay, I am going to render this, and how you're going to render is by clicking the camera icon right over here, and it's rendered. Voila. Let us try this in isometric view. This really looks cool, very amazing actually. Click on the camera icon and it's rendered. I'm going to show you now. But remember, before you render it, make sure that this blue line, which is this one, going to the end right over here, it has to be finished. And afterwards you can click the camera icon. And you can see, sorry, I'm done rendering. Oh, it's done. And it's really cool. It looks awesome, amazing actually. Okay, we don't need it. And I am going to show you how to export this thing. So go in the corner here, export, click on export, click on OBJ and export it. Wait a while, I'm going to show you. But once again, you have to make sure that the blue line, this one, is completed. So for example, I'm going to export this in my desktop and test, for example. Enter, and you can save it from here, but I prefer not to save because it's a test. So minimize this and open Blender. Go here, file, import, OBJ. Where is it? Wait, where is it? Here it is. Wavefront.obj. And open your file where you have rendered it. Test. Wait, no, I made a mistake. Import OBJ, test OBJ, and yeah, it's done. Go to render view and you can see the colors. Wait, yeah, the colors won't be as nice as here because it's Blender. So yeah, this was it, and I hope you like this tutorial. And I hope, wait 1 minute, open voxel out and go to model. You can see that there are models right over here. Let me close this. Okay, for example, 8 times 8 times 8. I don't want to save it. It's a square actually in isometric view. And castle, you can actually export it in Unity to Unreal Engine, yeah. And then THR Night, same thing, you can put it or view it in Blender. Sport Night. Let's get out of isometric view. This is how it looks. Draw. mango, whatever. This also, it's very cool. You can use this stuff in your projects. It will be by default. You can use them. Of course, it's free. It's by default. You can use it. You're free. Go to render, and amazing. You can control the lighting over here, but it will be in another tutorial. Shell. What shell is this? Teapot. Yeah, I'm going to show you an amazing thing now. Okay, go to render. Is that teapot? Go to where is it? Yeah, this is settings or whatever. Click on Lego, and now it's in Lego blocks. How cool that this be? You can make it clay. Cube is default. MC sphere, and I don't know what it is, but it looks like I don't know. This is amazing. Another thing I wanted to show you is the color palettes. If you go to 0, these are the default colors, of course, and if we go to 1, you can see these colors also. They are by default, of course. Sorry. Click on 2. These are the black and white palettes. You can use them if you click paint, attach. This stuff, really amazing. Click on 3, and here you can make your own color palette. How cool can this be? Go down, click on color, select one box, make your own color palette, sample this color, and now you can see that I have created a color. Click on paint, and voila. Amazing, really. I liked it. Let us see, face. I liked it. How about you? Okay, so what do you think? Another thing, you can change the frame settings, of course, and the edge color, for example, blue. This is actually awesome, really. It's amazing. You can make lots of stuff in this program. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you more stuff about voxel art, and I'm going to make stuff, model this stuff. Okay, so I hope you like the tutorial. Subscribe and don't forget to like, and bye bye.